how to use ASOS Marketplace for independent brands. In order to use ASOS Marketplace as an independent brand, you just need to apply for boutique, create a compelling, curated, and original vintage or handmade product. What you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to sign up account for ASOS Marketplace website. Open up your browser, type in ASOS Marketplace. Once you do it, so you want to make sure to go to this second link. You could see women's vintage clothes, or you could also go to the first one. Once you do it, so you want to make sure to log into your account. After you're logged in, you want to make sure to submit a detailed application, as ASOS is selective to maintaining a curated, high quality and unique offering. And you also need to ensure branding offer, original design, unique product, or high quality vintage as well. And approval typically takes up to 3 days as well. And once approved, you could customize a boutique with a logo and engaging storefront as well. And you could also write a clear, concise brand description to connect with the customer as well. Next, you could also upload product, ensure they are unique or curated. And you could also list for about 120 days if they do not sell. They expire but can be moved to a clearance as well. And this is how you're supposed to use ASOS Marketplace for independent brands. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.